Hello, some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this error. DFail if no test equal to false. This occurs when you are giving a command wrong while running an MVN test. So the platform name should be correct and dtest name should be exactly matching the Java file. Okay. So how to resolve this, guys? To resolve this, guys, you have to here you have to execute the command once again. Here, as you can see on the screen, you have given MVN test d target platform iOS and d tests equal to the test specified. Give the proper name and this error will be resolved. So as you can see on the screen, the execution is happening without having the particular error which we saw in the beginning of this video. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.